It is the first Urban Node Forum we have had, and I think it is a very good initiative. I see that it's lively, there are good discussions, and we bring different worlds together. I think it is the world of the infrastructure people, the logistics people, freight people, and the spatial planners from the national government, but also cities and market parties.
The most important thing is the networking, that we meet other professionals, that we had discussion with other cities, and we exchange ideas and best practices. And this is very important because urban nodes are very important for the integration of Europe.
The Venlo region has a very important, crucial function between the seaports Antwerp and Rotterdam and the German hinterland. This Urban Nodes project can help me to meet other cities, other stakeholders who have the same problems as us, the same challenges, and we can connect to each other to find together solutions.
It's about the hardware, about the infrastructure, but it's also about the software, meaning the people and the cooperation. That's the best advice for the European Commission as well, to support more action in real life instead of research.
I am representing the Interregional Alliance for the Rhine-Alpine Corridor, which is a number of cities and regions which are members in our organization. There is a strong network which has a clear focus and a clear aim, working on proper recommendations how future funding mechanism and how future research should be implemented within our framework in the research academic and in the practitioners community.
I find the conference really great in terms that it shows the importance of thinking outside of silos. Spatial and transport development are actually two sides of the same coin. Another point, of course, which is something which we cannot neglect, is the political will. So those are my messages for the future development of these topics.
We are really bonding links together. All the stakeholders involved in the urban nodes. That was the goal, and I think it's quite a success. With this network, being a part of this network, will make us probably much more stronger towards our messages to Europe, and that's the really important thing about it.
Politicians are accepting final results. We are working for the drafts, and I think that such meetings like Vital Nodes and other meetings concerning the TEN-T network in Europe are an excellent platform for cooperation. The maritime dimension should be regarded as the same importance like roads and rails.
What we want to do in the project is to give visibility to the local authorities and to the local level. Within the objective is to now put all this knowledge together and to give recommendations to the European Commission for the next funding programs, but also for a broader policy.
Well, our cities are small and medium-sized cities, SMCs, and it's really important for SMCs to be connected to the main corridors. A lot of positive feedback to my story that SMCs should have better dedicated programs and better recognition in the European programs. And I think that's a very big takeaway message I will take back home to create better opportunities to cooperate together.
Apart from the physical infrastructure, we should also think about the institutional infrastructure. If we spend so much money, it is clear where we can spend that. We also should think about building capacity. So these are the two messages I would say.